Unity offers support for the following integration development environments. Number 1, Visual Studio. Number 2, Visual Studio Code. And number 3, JetBrains Rider. IDE integration for all three of these environments appear as packages in the package manager. Visual Studio is installed by default when you install Unity on Windows and macOS. If you want to use another IDE, simply browse for the editor, go to Unity Preference, External Tools, and select your external editor. Closing the preference window. Open the package manager to view the IDs of these packages. First, I'm looking for the JetBrains Rider editor. And you can install it if you haven't already. And this is Visual Studio Editor and Visual Studio Code Editor. My code editor required update. I will be updating it. Next, I will be opening a JetBrains Rider editor website to view the highlighted features. It's a cross-platform C# editor and it's very easy to start with Unity, and now we also have a built-in support in the editor. And it have a control Unity editor that give us a two-way communication. And it also includes the toolbar, game view buttons, play, pause and step, which correspond to the same buttons in the Unity editor and control the same. I personally have used all these three, and I love the code hinting in Rider most. It's better than the other two. The debugging is almost similar in all editors. And it's a plus point in the Rider, the performance highlights. It's really helping, especially for the beginners. And we also have find usage inside Unity files. Find usage now includes Unity scenes, assets and prefab. It's more like a quick search in Unity editor, but we are getting it right inside the Rider. It also gives us support for the shaders, syntax, highlight and so on. If you need help for anything, you can get the link of the documentation. That's really helping. And this is a website of Visual Studio Code. It's a great companion to Unity for editing, debugging C# files, and all the C# features are supported, and plus colorization, bracket matching, IntelliSense, code length and so on. All these three are very good with Unity and C#, but personally I find Rider more advanced. I hope this video helps you. If you have any question, you can always ask me. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next.